Highland trays. Today we're gonna have an Angus and beef sausage that's got pepper and paprika. I was like, oh my god, cheese. And some homemade baked beans. Yes, I do have baked beans in, in a tin, but no. I thought I'd go on the thing that's been going on TikTok, like American, laughing at the fact that, English eat baked beans on toast, and have a fried egg with avocado. Because, my avocado's been sitting in the fridge for like a long time. Oh, I thought I was gonna just have an egg moment. You know what? Fuck it. So good. So good. It's close finest. Like $9 for 5. Okay. I add butter and cheese in mine. I make beans because my husband eats it. Because where he's from, they eat beans and, grains and stuff. Have it over rice. That was pretty good. Mexicans will be, that looks like fried beans. It's not, okay? It's just red kidney beans. You can use any beans, really. I got dried and canned. Tomatoes, crushed, fresh, whatever. And onions. I'm just saying. Every country and all that stuff, and their food and that, and what they prefer to eat is going to be different. Americans do beans a little different. Like they add, let me tell you what, they add a lot of sugar in some recipes, like a lot. It's actually mind blowing how much sugar is actually in their dietary over there. Which I think is intentional, to be honest, if you look back at the dentist industry and all that kind of stuff. So good. You're probably like, well, why is she eating with her hands? To be honest, I've always actually been like that, fun fact. Like, I even like eating mashed potatoes with my fingers. Ignore my nails, they're personal, it's like, relax. I have so much glue for my nails, it's like ridiculous. But yeah, England, Australia, New Zealand, eat beans on toast. Americans, like, they put meat, sugars, whatever recipe calls for. And then Mexico, they add chilies, sometimes meat, sometimes not. Where my husband's from, they're very simple. Beans, tomatoes, salt, oil, onions. avocados is looking amazing here in Australia. I'm like, you know, the orchard people, the farmers were like, we're going to do some bullshit here that's like make them look really good for overturn investment. If you're new to me, I see like a lot of people following me on Facebook. I prefer if you like my page. Well, I'm literally going to lose you guys eventually when the rollout happens, whenever that is. Let's talk about fun facts. I'm just saying, beans on toast is really amazing. If you don't like it, then all good. Usually I'm not going to make a big deal. What I do for a living. I'm just kidding. I don't even make money on these, but I don't know. Oh, it's in the controversy. I'm a trophy wife. Me and my husband stayed up and down, so it's like any other relationship, blah blah blah. But yeah, I'm a trophy wife. You know what that is? That means by his culture and his upbringing, but also by choice. And that I take care of the house, my mother, my wife. I don't pay for bills. I don't do none of that. I say it by choice too. A lot of it, part of it is, so I don't mind. The other part is a lot of the hard work. I was like, my annual estimate salary was around under 70k for commercial cleaner. So yeah, I don't pay the mortgage, I don't pay the bills, I don't have to give my husband. Even if I'd be like, oh, let me just whatever, it's like, no. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I keep the money and do as I please, really. Something that gets a bit boring. I don't know what to say. I mean, if you want to be a trophy wife, by all means, go for it. If you don't, by all means. I'm all about the independence too. So I think it's nice and it helps out. Gives you a purpose, whatever. But like I said, everyone's different. I don't mind either way. But there's a reason why I'm kind of not working. I don't really like talking about it. It's usually a health thing. So that's what I'm saying. Part of it's a choice. But technically speaking, I remember my husband was like, no, you shouldn't have to work because it's a man's job. He's that. He's raised old school. Like my father-in-law, I don't even want to talk about my father-in-law, but you know, he's a businessman or whatever. But he's one of those that he's got to work till the day he dies, and he's got to take care of everyone. That's the tradition that my husband's been raised up. But let me tell you what, my husband won't say no to money. I'll tell you that now. Don't buy my husband nothing, just give him money, he'll be good. Okay? Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm telling you, beans on toast is really good. If you don't like it, by all means, and you know, everyone has different ways of making beans across the world. Go to the Middle East and it's completely different. Go to Africa, it's different. India, Western countries. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you back next time. And thank you for watching me. Bye.